Query by Summit allows you to trigger any Zapier workflow using the results of a SQL query on a Google Sheet. Now, it could be any publicly hosted CSV file, but in this case, I'm going to show you a Google Sheet, and this Google Sheet contains a list of reservations for people that are staying at a lodge in a mountain resort. What I want to do is I want to trigger a weather report to run every time that they check in, and the check-in date matches the current date, and their status is confirmed. So if I come back to this app, I can see that I've connected Query by Summit as the trigger. For that trigger, I've passed in the URL of the CSV, I've passed in the column names of the information I want, and I've also defined a where clause, which allows me to filter the results of that Google Sheet in real time. And every time new matches are found, this workflow will begin. And so in this case, I'm searching for any where the status is waiting, the timestamp is now, today, and the message type is a weather report. And if I test this, you can see that it runs and it pulls back only the record that matches. So you don't need to pull a Google Sheet all the time and do loops and look for matches based on filters. You can simply trigger the workflow only for the data that's relevant when it's relevant using the power of SQL syntax.